Good morning. In this video, I have covered monohybrid cross of Heredity chapter grade 10. This was done by Mendel on pea plant. Why did he choose pea plant? Because pea has 7 contrasting characters like short lifespan, it can be grown everywhere, tallness, dwarfness, wrinkled seeds and round seeds. So because of such contrasting characters, he did monohybrid cross in which he chose a tall plant and a dwarf plant. Now each tall plant and dwarf plant was crossbred with each other, and what obtained was all the offspring, that is the F1 generation, was tall plant. Why tall plant? Because when it was crossed, capital T combined with small t, this capital T combined with this small t, again this T combined with this, then this T combined with this. So what you can see that each T represents the dominant characteristics which was tall. So F1 generation appeared tall. So that is the genotype composition. Genotype is the genetic composition and phenotype shows the appearance. Now again he crossed F1 generation with F1 generation, which was capital T, capital T. Now when you see the crossing over, what you observe in the final result is the result was capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, capital T, small t and TT. So this shows that these three will show tallness and this one will show dwarf. When you see the genotype ratio, you can see that this capital T, this capital T, small t appears 2 times. So it is 1:2 for the tall and 1 for the dwarf plants. And what is phenotype ratio? It is 3:1. So what does it show? That we have obtained 75% of the tall plant and 25% dwarf plant. This gave the law of segregation. So what is law of segregation? The law states that genes stay together and segregate at the time of gamete formation. So you can see the gamete, when during the gamete formation there is segregation taking place. There is no mixing up of the genes. Thank you.